It already been touched.
And see, they ain't even hooked up the right wire. If you want to get that the jump box, because I really need to. This wire going right here goes to the goddamn distributor, and if this wrong, it goddamn sure ain't gonna crank. And we can at least check that. It's been done a long time ago. That stuff ain't recent.
Had to go through it.
Where's that other? You see that other rosebud out here on the ground there?
Had to clean this out again. About to redo the floor. Probably put some paint on the wall. Put this carpet right here. All the way through it. Good project. Had to do a little rewiring using some of the scrap.
You gotta go to the woods. What's been going on, Doc? I thought you said hunt season over with. So what you hunting now?
Getting a little closer, closer and closer. Getting the job done. My guy Rex then went through it.